Okay, good day, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you actually click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, by the way. So, let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 25th. First, we will start with the trend. As you can see, that this GBP USD clearly is an uptrend move, and we all know the reason is because DXY or your USD index you would want to see is actually dropping. Definitely, once there is a drop on DXY or on USD index, then definitely any other pairs we will be trading to our USD will definitely give us a bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why GBP to USD is actually giving us a bullish move. Well, there is a correction here, a huge correction, which is more visible on the weekly time frame. I mean, take a look at the weekly time frame. So you can see that this is actually a pullback, and now price is actually pushing up by this. So we will still expect more movement upward on the weekly time frame on GBPUSD. Now down to the daily time frame. Now this is clearly a pullback. So if you should take a look at this GBPUSD like this, you take a look at this to be an impulse move or higher highs, then you see this to be a lows or higher lows. Then you take a look at this to be an higher highs, then a pullback here. If you see this again, an higher highs, this is a pullback. Now I believe this pullback is over. So once this pullback is over, what do we expect? A new highs. So we should be expecting a bullish move for the next day on GBP USD, which is for the 25th. We expect it to actually come and probably for tomorrow take out this ice price, actually give us a pullback from. If price can tap the ice maybe in 2 days or 3 days time, we can now maybe expect a breakout. By the way, we can also see that there is a pullback again that has come to hit our 10 period simple moving average, and we are having a rejection. Definitely a continuous bullish move should continue for tomorrow. So GBP USD, let's expect a bullish move. At least we should be able to hit 50 to 70 pips bullish move. So let's take a look at this movement, right? So eventually price has been able to drop to this same level, right? So let's continue the uptrend move, right? Let's see if price has actually given us price has actually given us a reaction at this level. So let's go ahead and go long. So this is the level we will be watching out for on a forward time frame. This is where price actually gave us a pullback from. So that is a level that should at least, that is about 110 pips. So I mean we should be able to grab about 50 to 70 pips in this 110 pips that we are speculating for it to actually give us. If you can grab about 50 to 70 pips from it, then I think that will be fine for the day.